On the path towards smart manufacturing, automation at the equipment level is the key starting point. An advanced machine with multi-face machining and automation potential has been successfully exported to Southeast Asia and Eastern Europe and is now making its way into the US market. It is more than just a machine. It is the core of an entire automation system. With automated manufacturing at the core, we provide flexible and integrated automation upgrade solutions with our partners. Whether it's precision medical devices or high-demand metal tubing, our solutions are consistently delivering efficient and repeatable machining standards. True automation is not just about machine operation. It's about integration, collaboration, and the realization of future manufacturing. Start with your equipment and redefine your productivity.